Yeah, back on the chassis. Yeah, when I was taking the gearbox and motor out, I yeah, it took me a while to get that Crossmember out, and then as I was getting it, I found that there was a bit of damage, like someone had hit something in there. So you can see that must have been something decent, but how that's all mangled up, I was trying to straighten it with that big sledgehammer over there, and thought I could do a quick fix, but I haven't. So basically that one over there is fine, but they've got an offset plate in there. This plate is higher than that plate. It's about, I don't know, 6 mil. So
but it's been a while. I mean, it's not sporadic. Not here in one more
I've knocked up these plates. There is another box somewhere of them. So I've cut these new plates. That one's out of 3 mil, that one's out of 6. So there's about 6 mil difference. Yeah, so this one's it's about 6 mil. The dimension from the hole to the bottom is about 6 mil greater than this one. So instead of trying to put that 6 mil offset, because it's 6 mil, basically I can put the plate, obviously that plate will be there and the offset will come back to where it's originally going to be, and then that will get welded around there and down on the inside and everywhere else it's supposed to be, and obviously there'll be a longer bolt there, but I guess it's just an easier way. It's probably a bit stronger, but an easier way to eliminate just trying to bend that plate up and put it in. So I'm going to cut this off with the oxy all the way along, just get rid of it, clean it all up, and I'll probably, I'm going to try and draw that out. Probably have to heat it up, weld a hook there or something that I can bar it back up. I could do it with a dog and wedge, but we'll see how we go.